In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an email pop-up in Kit to use on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have a modal or pop-up form created in Kit, and then embedded into your Shopify store by placing the provided code into your theme. First, begin inside your Kit account. Look for the section that says Grow, then Landing Pages and Forms. Once you open that area, create a new modal form, which is the pop-up style you want for capturing email signups. When you are creating the modal, take a moment to design it the way you want it to look and feel on your site. That might include checking the layout, the text, and any form fields Kit provides. After you finish your design, make sure to save your work so the modal is ready to use. This save step is important because the embed code you copy next will correspond to the saved version of your pop-up. Next, after your modal is saved, you will move to the embed settings. In Kit, find the Embed button. When you select it, you should see different options for how to add your form to a website. Choose the HTML tab. Once the HTML option is open, copy the code snippet that Kit shows you. Do not worry if it looks like a block of text because it is meant to be pasted directly into your Shopify theme. Take care when copying so you capture the entire snippet, not just part of it, since missing characters can cause the pop-up not to display correctly. Now that you have the embed code, you are ready to add it to your Shopify store. Log into your Shopify admin. From there, go to Online Store and then Themes. This is where you manage the code and appearance for your storefront. Before you make edits, it helps to identify which theme is currently active, because you want to add the pop-up to the theme your visitors are actually seeing. With the Themes page open, you will edit the code. In the section for your active theme, click the three dots button, often shown as next to the theme name. Then select Edit Code. Shopify will take you into the code editor. This is the area where you will paste the HTML snippet so the modal can appear on your site. In the code editor, you need to open the correct file. Find and open theme.liquid. This file controls global layout elements for your theme. Once theme.liquid is open, locate the closing tag that reads lbody. That closing body tag is near the end of the file, and it is where you will insert your modal embed. When you paste the code, place the HTML snippet immediately before the closing tag. This placement matters because it allows the pop-up script and markup to load after the main page content has been built. After you paste the HTML snippet in the correct spot, make sure you click Save to store your changes. Shopify may take a moment to apply the update, so wait until it finishes saving before you proceed. After saving, you can test your store to confirm the email pop-up appears as expected. If everything is pasted correctly, visitors should be able to see and use your modal form when the page loads or when the modal triggers, depending on how Kit is configured. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.